Help me style my closet and your closet too.
When they say she get it from her mama, mama say you fuck her right, body booties. I put that on my mama, on my
What's up, sweetie gang? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I am getting back into the groove of recording and vlogging and showing you some fashion tips and tricks. And I am going to stay true to dropping a video for you guys every Wednesday between 4 and 5 o'clock. I'm still working on the time, but I promise to get it together, and I promise to show up and dedicate at least once a week to this channel so we can grow and be a family. But before I go any further, let me introduce myself to anyone who may be new here. My name is Kinshasha Rose, aka Sweet Shosh 1. Welcome to Lifestyle on the Fly. We are a lifestyle channel and we focus on fashion and beauty, but we also double into other content such as DIY, cook with me, travel, relationships, finance, you name it, we talk about it. There's nothing off subject here, so if you want to get into it, feel free to drop a comment below. Okay, so let's get into it. We know it's a few days before Valentine's here, and I know I'm kind of late with showing you some ideas for Valentine's, and we're gonna do that today by shopping my closet, because there are a few girls out here that's still thinking and looking for last minute date night outfits, whether you are doing a date, whether you are just hanging out with your girls, whatever, however you spend Valentine's, whether you spend it by yourself, you can still look good. And if you still maybe looking for an outfit or thinking about what to wear, what not to wear, we're gonna look at some items that's already in my closet, and hopefully those items are in your closet that's similar to mine, and we can put a few outfits together so you can spend the day looking fabulous. Okay, question for single ladies or ladies that's out there dating or dating on like websites and things like that. What do you do, guys too, if you're watching, what do you do if you meet someone, say the week before Valentine's, and you are thinking about planning a date and you want to go out? Would that be like awkward to do a first date on Valentine's? For me personally, I think it would be awkward for me. I would like, bro, let's just skip over for another week or so and then go out. And I don't know if it's just because of me, my personality, or would it be like socially awkward to go out with someone you don't know on a date that's quote unquote built for love? I don't know. Would that be too much pressure? Let me know in the comments. But let me get into the first outfit. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm back with the first look, but before I get into the look, I just wanted to do a disclaimer. Remember, I'm shopping from my closet, so most of these pieces are unavailable. These are items that I pulled just for some inspo for you guys to go through your closet, see what you have. If, like I said, you're on that last minute looking for an outfit or a look for your date night for Valentine's, or just for the Valentine's weekend or any other weekend, something that you may be inspired to pull from your closet that you may have already, and you can just put a whole look together. You can change up a few pieces. This is just something to give you an idea of how to do it. Also, in this video, you'll be seeing me wearing a lot of blazers, different colors, different materials, because I feel like blazers is something very, very easy to dress. Whether you're a fashion girl or not, a blazer can definitely take an outfit to the next level. And I also put a lot of blazers in this video for most of us have some type of blazer. I have different ones, long ones, short ones, different fabrics, different colors, print, no print, whatever. Most of us have some type of blazer that we can pull from, and we can wear it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. A blazer can always elevate an outfit. Me personally, I do like the drape over the shoulders, especially if it's something that I'm wearing out versus if I'm going to work. I'll, you know, of course, put my arms inside the sleeves, and it kind of takes it down a notch. It makes it a little bit more corporate, but draping it over the shoulder is a little sexy to me. It elevates the look and it makes it look more polished, and it's effortless. So the next time you're going out, you're wearing a blazer and you want to dress it up a little and take it up a notch, try draping it over your shoulders versus wearing it. Okay, just a quick FYI. Okay, so the first look is this patent leather blazer here. I've wore this blazer several times, so you've seen it all over my videos. This is from Express. This top here is a Shein top. It is a bodysuit. It's a sheer blazer. I'm sure they still have this available. I would gladly link it below for you, but I'm probably sure we could find it other places where you're not paying the extra shipping or the tariff fee. If I can find one on Amazon or somewhere like that, I would gladly link it in the description box for you. But if you prefer this one in particular, happily will give you the one from Shein if you want to pay the extra prices, okay? Because I've started to hear some horror stories about these extra tariff prices that we're paying. Not only we paying the it's like another tax, right? But it's brokerage fees that you're also paying it for whomever is delivering it to you. And I'm not sure if that varies from state to state. You can check it out for yourself in your particular state you're in. I am just trying to avoid it, period. So this year you will see me still doing my regular things, my fashion content, my beauty, my travel, whatever, but I am not going to be buying a bunch of fast fashion because I'm not paying all of those things. You do as you please, but I'm just not going to do it. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's get back into the outfit. This skirt here is a sweater skirt, and I purchased this skirt from Saks Fifth Avenue. I was about to say Saks off Fifth. I'm sorry, Saks Fifth Avenue, and it is an Allison and Oliver brand that carries on Saks. I love a lot of their things. It could be a little bit on the pricey side, but it's definitely quality piece. Okay, let's get into the shoes and stockings. So as you see, I paired them with these Gucci tights. You don't have to use Gucci. You can use anyone you want to. It's just what I had, so that's what I pulled from. You can do fishnets, you can do whatever you choose, or you can just do a solid sheer pair of pantyhose. And I paired it here with these patent leather platforms. These are still available on Amazon, I think. If so, I will leave them linked below for you. They come in about 2 or 3 different colors. And they're made by Nine West, and they're at a good price point. So these are great shoes to just have in your closet for any time. Okay. And the bag is from Zara. It's a patent leather bag with a gold handle. This bag was from last summer's collection, okay? So I definitely know I can't find this, but if I find anything that's similar, I will link it for you. But here's the full look. And like I said, draping the jacket over your arms versus wearing it takes it up a whole another notch, okay? And also, I kept very simple jewelry on, just some stud earrings and matching ring and a chunky bracelet, my typical watch and bracelet. But I also, because if you know me, you know that I am a brooch girl, so I couldn't put the brooch here on my jacket because I didn't want to stick the holes in the patent leather, but I still added a brooch, a little touch of me to this outfit with just pairing some jewelry right here on the seam of the dress, of the skirt, okay? So here's the final look. And you're ready for date night. I'll be back with the next look. Okay, so I'm back. It's definitely a trendy look, something that was out before, but it's made its way back to the surface, I want to say this last winter. And this is a perfect example of how to take something that trends and make it your own. Now, usually I don't follow the crowd. I like to move in my own direction when it comes to things like that, when it comes to fashion, because I wear what makes me feel good, not what's necessarily popular. Most of my things that I wear and I buy are still relevant 10 years ago and will be relevant in the next 10 years. So let's just get into this look. I have this blazer. Okay, so I'm back. I paired this outfit with a blazer. I'm not sure where this blazer is from. It's super old. Now here is the trending part, is the dress, right? You probably have seen tons of girls on your timeline with these sheer dresses on. Most of them are much longer than mine. This is a dress, not the skirt. I've seen a lot of the skirts on trend, and usually they are super long or all the way to the floor. I had this one. Now, we know a skirt and blazer isn't anything that's new, but it's the sheer part of it that's new, or the tutu part. So it has came back into style. It's been trending. So I wanted to just bring this here to you, showing that you can wear any skirt that you may have. Instead of using like a regular belt to accentuate your waistline, I put a fanny pack on. And a signature brooch, of course, with some very simple minimalist jewelry. And instead of a shoe, I opted out for for a pair of rider boots. So this is what I mean by taking something that's trending but make it your own. I opted out from a regular belt to use a fanny pack. Of course, I used a brooch to add more jewelry to it. My skirt is not super long all the way to the floor. It's calf length, and I put boots on versus shoes. And to top it off, what would have topped this outfit would have been a super cute hat, which I didn't want to mess with my hair because I have a few more outfits to go. But there's something that you may already have in your closet that you can take and you can spin it and make it your own, and you can wear it out, because I'm sure we all have some type of skirt or dress or something that we can accentuate with a blazer, add some jewelry to it, and like a nice custom belt, whether it's a fanny pack or just a regular belt. Doesn't have to be designer. Anything that you have, make it your own, okay? And you're out the door. One more look. Back with the next look. So I'm back with the next look, and guess what? No blazer, but I did put a hoodie on. So this is a cropped black hoodie that I purchased from not Zara's, I'm sorry, Target, right before the Christmas holiday, as well as this metallic sweater here that's from Target as well. It's from the Future Collective line. It is super huge on me, but I wanted this sweater so bad, and I got it at a super good clearance price, so I couldn't walk out the store with it. But I took the big sweater and just made it my own. I kind of did some cuffing here to kind of camouflage how big it is on me. I paired it with a white belt with a pop of color. This patent leather skirt here is from Target as well, along with these ankle booties, and they are from Chit. This is also a simple, easy, wearable outfit that you can wear on a date night or any other night of the week, as you please. It's just taking a simple skirt, a sweater, and a hoodie, which I'm sure we all have something like this in our closet. We take it, we style it up, and we make it our own, okay? So yeah, it's simple jewelry. However, to keep it sexy, I did apply this diamond brooch with it, because the hoodie can dress it up or dress it down, but I wanted to add some jewelry to it. So I added this choker, which is from Amazon, and I think it's still available, and I will link it below if you're interested, as well as a signature brooch. And you see, every outfit that I've worn so far, I've had on red lipstick. And remember, I was telling you guys last week that red lips, especially this matte Ruby Woo, goes good on with everything and almost on every skin tone. So give it a try, okay? But yes, so this is the look. Something sporty but simple. And I kept it sexy with the choker and the minimal jewelry, okay? Less is more, remember that. I'll be back with the next look. I added my auntie purse. This is a metallic silver purse. I call it my auntie purse because it looks like a little old lady. So this is the complete look. Okay, so we're back. I'm here with my next look, which is a full-length full leather dress in caramel, and I paired it with my nude Christian Louboutins. When it comes to shoes and dressing something like this, you can definitely put something on, say a bootie, and you can even do a higher boot if you want, like an ankle boot. What I would do, if I was wearing a bootie, I wouldn't have a solid color. I would do maybe like a print, like a leopard print or a snake print or something else to kind of balance the look so everything wouldn't look so neutral from head to toe. I would definitely put a pop of color or a print as a shoe. But being that I have on these pumps, so I have some skin in between, even though my skin is kind of close to the dress too, but still there's a difference in it in between. So I think it looks good paired. It flows well. Along with this cream blazer that I once again have draped over my shoulders. Like I said, I prefer to wear the blazers draped over my shoulders because I feel like it elevates the outfit, makes the outfit look a little more expensive, and it takes it up another notch versus wearing it. However, if you feel comfortable with wearing the blazer with your arms inside, do so. And also it depends on where you're going. Now, to work or church or whatever, would I wear it like this? No, that wouldn't be my first go-to. But for a date night or a night out, I would definitely wear it with it draped over my arms. Even if you are wearing a different coat going, especially in the colder months, you can still put it over you with the other coat, or you could actually put your arms in, and then when you get to where you're going, you can go to your drape. Okay, I paired it with my Louis Vuitton case, and I'm still keeping it all in the same family. This outfit is easy, it's wearable. Whether you got this outfit in particular or just something different or a different color, feel free to play with it, play with your textures, play with your fabrics. Wear what's comfortable for you. I can't stress that enough. Know what works for your body is number one. Wearing something that makes you feel good is number two. So don't be afraid. Try different things, try different textures, try different fabrics. If you never wore like a full-length dress or a body dress, you can always camouflage it with a belt if it makes you feel uncomfortable, if you have like a little fupa or whatever the case may be. Don't forget to accessorize. This here, I kept my accessories simple because I always do. So I have on these two chains here, which is a choker and this cross. Both of these are from Shein. I think I had these on in a video from the summer, and of course I did it with my signature brooch, whether it's a designer brooch, a dupe, cheap one, whatever. I just like the way it elevates the look for me. So that's like a signature for me, and I love to wear them. But this is the finishing look. Okay, I'll be back with the next one. Guys, so I'm back with my final look, and yes, we have another blazer, and it's red for Valentine's, I guess, or it just goes with my red lips or whatever you want to call it. But this blazer is about 10 years old. Honestly, it's from H&M, back when I was really buying a lot of things from H&M, but this is from H&M. This chunky necklace, which is two, they're both from Shein. I just added two necklaces to give it more of a definition. You see, I didn't put any any brooches on with this by accident though. To be honest with you, I just realized I don't have one, but it's okay. This white crop tank top is from Amazon. These army pants are thrifted. It was a thrift shop in the city. I can't remember the name of it, but they were thrifted. These burgundy boots are from Stuart Weitzman. They are a few years old as well. And I decided to go with a printed bag to add to the white that's in the shirt, but still go along with the burgundy that's in the outfit that I'm wearing. Don't be afraid to mix and match prints. If you're not comfortable with matching prints on like a shirt and a pair of pants, you can always use a purse to add a different print to the outfit. Some people aren't comfortable with wearing one print to the bottom and a different print on the top. If you're a person that still struggles with putting that together, use a bag. It works every time. And camouflage to me is neutral. It goes with anything. So this is the final look. Okay, I'll be back with closing statements.